Have you ever felt a stirring deep within your soul? That inexplicable feeling that there's something more, something greater than what our eyes can see. You know, it's fascinating how we humans are wired with this innate sense of the divine. Think about it. We're not just flesh and bone. We're spiritual beings having a human experience. You see, when God created us, He didn't just piece together a physical body. He breathed His very essence into us, making us spiritual beings like Himself. It's like an artist leaving their signature on their masterpiece, except this signature runs so deep. That's why sometimes in those quiet moments, we feel this mysterious pull, what the ancients called deep calling unto deep. It's like an echo of our original design, a spiritual DNA that connects